Hi guys, and welcome to my channel All Things Yazz. If you have not been here before, hi, I'm Yazz and I create videos both on fashion and beauty. So if you like that sort of thing, then I think you'll really like it here, so please subscribe. Today I am showing you a few new items in my wardrobe, so let's like and comment down below. And I hope you enjoy this video. So I've been packing today. I'm going on holiday tomorrow. It's now Thursday, so Friday morning at 4 o'clock I'm up early doors travelling to the airport. How exciting. I hate early mornings. But as I've been packing, I noticed a few new items in my suitcase. I just thought, you know what, this is the best time to show you all what I've been buying for my upcoming hot holiday, my first and last summer holiday of 2019. Oh. But it's my annual family holiday to Portugal. Most years we normally go to Portugal for a little while, the whole family. Luckily I'm going out a little bit earlier with my boyfriend to have some good quality time with him before the clan arrive. But yes, let's get into this video and show you some items that I've bought. So my first item are these gorgeous silky pyjamas from Victoria's Secret. The classic ones, you know, the top, I love the top with the buttons down the front. It just looks very chic, you know, very silky, fashionable pyjamas. And the button detail on here is kind of like this turquoisey, like pinky and grey going on, and I'll give you a close-up in a minute. I just love the colour combination with the pink and the grey. I just think it's so classy, and I like in the morning to be able to wander about the villa. We'll still be there while it's August, and it gets so hot in August in Portugal, so to be able to have like a silky breathable pair of pyjamas, especially just lounging about as well, is just perfect for Portugal. And who doesn't like a nice pair of new pyjamas when you go on holiday? I love like a nice pair. So that was my first item. My second item are these gorgeous pair of distressed denim jeans by All Saints. I absolutely love them because the ripped details are just, they're so nice. Like on the leg bits is nice, and then you've got the raw hem. And then you've got this button at the top, but it's actually all buttons, no zip, which I quite like because it keeps it all nice and snug and they fit really well. And the pockets, again, they've got a few ripped details as well. I like this style. It's quite high rise, but it does cover your whole bum, which is obviously essential when you're going on holiday with your family. And I just love the colour. The wash of this jean is just really nice. They are a bit stretchy, but I do want them to give a little bit more. The reason why I bought a new pair of shorts, I do have a pair of Levi ones. I got them in a size a little bit too small, so you can see probably most of my bum. Again, not appropriate for a family holiday, but these All Saint ones are really nice and comfortable. Obviously they cover everything, which is quite nice, and I just think the style and the wash is just perfect for summer, this nice light shade. So speaking of Levi's, my next item that I purchased is this gorgeous little crop top. I love this because I love the really bright red colour of it, and it's in this kind of bikini fabric. Obviously it's going to be very quick to dry if you get it wet. You could potentially go in the pool with this if you wanted. I also really like this black and white branded Levi straps. Just adds a bit to it and makes it a little bit more funky. I can just see myself on holiday with my shorts and this. Just didn't want to go to the supermarket. Potentially probably wouldn't wear a bra with this. But you don't need to. I mean, you're on holiday, who cares? But yeah, I really liked this when I saw it. And I just thought it'd go with quite a lot of things that I have in my wardrobe. So for my next item, I have this gorgeous, I'm not going to be able to do it any justice just is holding it up like this, but it's from All Saints. It's in this kind of muted red colour, which is, I really like this colour as well, and it's got this gorgeous floral pattern on it, but it wraps around and ties at the side. It's slightly in a V shape. You can see it's a little bit low, so you can see a little bit more, but I quite like that. And just the style of it is just perfect for summer. Again, I can see myself in the shorts with this. And it's just super light again, because obviously it's going to be quite warm. So I got this one in a small. Again, with the Levi top, I got that in a small. The denim shorts are in a size 27, and the pyjamas again are in a small, just FYI. And yeah, I just really like it. In the cutaway you'll be able to see how I style this a little bit more. But again, very light, super comfortable to wear, and just something, you know, different. You can just shove it over the top of a bikini. It just wear this with bikini bottoms. I thought was quite nice. Or even on a night out you could wear like a nice satin midi skirt. I just thought that would look really nice with that as well. Or, you know, just some denim shorts. So really nice buy. I really like that one. Okay, so for my final item to show you, I have this gorgeous pair of trainers. Now, I might butcher the name, and I do apologise that, but these are Vijas? I am not entirely sure. But I went into flannels in Newcastle and I saw these and I just fell in love. They remind me of, I'm not sure the name, but you know the Nikes, very similar. They've got the perforated section at the front, this gorgeous V in a, you know, a much more whiter colour, so it stands out. And this cream sole, it's so cool. They're lined with this nice, comfortable, soft fabric. And I just think they're the perfect white trainer for summer. I've been getting so much wear out of them. These are in a size 39, and yeah, they're just so comfortable. The only problem that I have, but again, they are new, so I'm not entirely sure if that'll last. On this particular foot, on my right foot, when I'm bending, this bit here is just going into my big toe a little bit. But I've been wearing like thick socks, and when I wear thick socks, it does not bother me at all. But other than that, I can firmly say they are very comfortable. They have quite a high bit on the Achilles, I would say, but that rubs a little bit, but it hasn't been rubbing a lot. I have not got, and I've been wearing them a lot, so it's been rubbing, but it hasn't caused any blisters at all. But I don't see them causing blisters in the long run because they are quite comfortable. I think it's just getting used to the top bit. But yeah, I really like these as a trainer. I've been admiring Vijas for a while, and I'm so glad I got these. They've already surpassed my, what are they called again? My Alexander McQueen's. I know, how crazy. And they're a lot cheaper, more affordable as well. But yeah, I didn't want to take my McQueens to Portugal because I just didn't want them ruined, because we go go-karting, so that's fun. And I just thought, you know, get something slightly cheaper, something that you won't cry if you ruin. And these were the shoes that I picked out. So what do you think of my new items? Please let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, my favourite is probably the pyjamas. I love a funky pair of pyjamas. I think my boyfriend just turned to me and went, "What are you wearing?" He doesn't understand this pinstriped pyjama at all, and I just love it. So those are probably my favourite, and I did need the shorts, and they're really nice fit as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.